Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or to solve TikTok too many requests. To know how to fix or to solve TikTok too many requests, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page you will enter to the window of TikTok. Here we click clear cache and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.